So in this video, I want to show you how to set up using a USB cable your HP DeskJet 2827e printer with your computer. Could be a Mac or PC computer, it doesn't matter. So by using this USB cable, you will avoid using the Wi-Fi, and yeah, the Wi-Fi of this printer is pretty unreliable, so it's a good idea to connect it like that. Now, the cable is not included in the box. You'll have to purchase one separately, and I'll put a link in the description towards Amazon if you don't already own one. If not, let's get started. So you're gonna go and take this end of the cable, okay, the printer side, and connect it in the back of the HP printer. On the back, on the right side, this is where the port is located. You simply have to align it with your cable and connect it. Turn on your printer, okay, make sure it's on, and you're going to connect the other end of the cable in your computer. Again, PC or Mac, it doesn't matter. And at this point, all you have to do is to go and start printing. Most of the time, it will work as simple as that. So open any file you wish to print. Select the print icon, or if you have a Mac, go on the top corner, top right corner, and you're going to select files and then print. This will open, and over here where you see printer, you should see HP DeskJet 2827 series. Go ahead and select it. And over here, once you have selected the paper size, if you want to print in color, black and white, stuff of this nature, you're going to press the print button. Make sure you have some paper inserted. Open this, and it will work. Now, if you want to scan using your computer, on a PC computer, you simply have to open the scan app. By the way, this has finished printing. So go over here down below and search for Scan. It's an app that comes included with your PC, but if you don't have it, you can always go on the Microsoft Store right over here and download it for free. Then where you see Scanner, tap over there and select your HP printer. It may take a few seconds. In the meanwhile, let me show you how to insert your paper. So you're going to put it facing down with the top part of your page. Okay, imagine this is the top part towards the right side. Put it like this, and then make sure this corner over here touches this corner of the printer. So just like that. Okay, perfect. And close the lid. On the PC over here, it seems frozen. Again, okay, perfect, it works finally. Select your DeskJet 2827 series. Select which kind of file you want to get out of that scanner, so a PNG, TIFF, JPEG, PDF, up to you. And if you click on Show More on your Windows computer, you'll be able also to select the resolution up to 1200 dpi. This will give you more details, but it will take a lot more time to scan. At the end, press the scan button and it will start right away. Now on a Mac, it's slightly different than this. You'll have to go into the printers and fax, or printers and scanners menu, and add the printer manually. And this is about it. On the PC, you'll get the confirmation that the scan was saved to desktop and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, take a moment and leave a comment. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.